Good morning, class 5th. Today we will going to continue with the lesson 3rd, that is animals, and we have completed such topic in the previous class like fish, reptiles, amphibians, bird, mammals, insects. Today we are going to learn breathing in animals. Today we are going to learn about breathing in animals. All the animal inhale oxygen gas to survive in the atmosphere. Means all the animal that live in the atmosphere, they inhale. Means all animals, they need oxygen gas from the atmosphere to survive on the earth. Atmosphere is the layer of air which surrounds the earth and so now it is clear that animals inhale oxygen gas to survive in the atmosphere. Atmosphere is the layer of earth which surrounds the earth and contain mixture of gases. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the layer of air. In further lesson you will learn about that also. So what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the layer of air. And what is air? Air is the mixture of different type of gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Oxygen helps to change digested food into energy. Oxygen helps the animal to change their digested food into form of energy. Carbon dioxide gas is released during this breathing process, and CO2 gas, that is carbon dioxide, is released in the process of the breathing. Different animals breathe in different ways. Different types of animals breathe in different way. All the animals do not have same breathing feature. Now see, organs of breathing. Our next topic is organs of breathing. Animals like fish, prawns, crabs and tadpoles which live in water breathe through their gills. Means the animal that live into the water such as fish, prawn, crabs, tadpoles breathe through their body part, that is known as gills. Gills are situated on the either side of the head. Gills, where its gills situated, the either next side of the head. They are rich. They have rich supply of blood vessel, and gills have many blood vessels. They have a rich supply of blood vessels. When these animal takes water into their mouth, oxygen dissolved in water is absorbed by the blood vessel. When these animals take water inside their mouth, what happen? The oxygen that is dissolved in the water, they absorb by their blood vessels present in the gills. And carbon dioxide is exhaled. Means they exhale, they breathe out the carbon dioxide gas and inhale the oxygen from the water by the help of their blood vessels present in the gills. I want to show you something, that this is the formula of water, that is H2O. Two molecules of hydrogen and one molecules of oxygen combine to form water. And what the animals do, they live into the water. Means hydrogen or oxygen both are present there. So what they do, they, when they drink the water, they inhale the oxygen through the gills. Means with present of blood vessel, they absorb the oxygen and exhale the CO2 gas from their bodies. A frog live in both on land or on water also. In means a frog is an animal that live in water also and on land also, so it is called amphibians. Amphibian means that living animal that live both on land also and water also. On land they breathe through their gills as normal. When the frogs live on land, they breathe through their gills, and when they live in the water, they breathe through their moist skin. When the frog live on the land, they breathe through their lungs, and when they live in the water, they breathe through their moist skin. Their skin is very moist, you can say moisturized skin, so they can absorb the oxygen gas through their skin inside the water for breathing. Birds reptiles and mammals breathe through their lungs. All the birds, reptiles and mammals breathe through their lungs. Reptiles have scale on their skin. All the reptiles have scale in their skin and includes animals such as snake, lizard, turtles and crocodiles. These animals also have scales on their skin which help them to move properly on the ground. Mammals include animals such as cats, cows and human beings which feed their babies with their milk. So at the first we have read bird, reptiles and mammal all breathe through their lungs. And what are mammals? Animals such as cat, cow and human beings which give birth to their babies and feed their babies with their milk. Microbes and earthworm. Microbes means the microorganism that we cannot see with the naked eyes. What are microorganism? The organism that we cannot see with our naked eyes are known as microbes. Microbes we can see under only a microscope. We can see the microbes under only a microscope. So microbes and earthworm breathe through their moist body surface. Means the microbes and earthworms breathe only through their body surface. Now we are going to learn about the insects. Insects breathe through the small holes called spiracles. Spiracles, what is spiracles? That are small holes on the insect's body. What are spiracles? Spiracles are small holes present on the insect's body. So insects breathe through the small holes that are present on their bodies known as spiracles, and spiracles are located on the side of the body, means left or right side of the body. Oxygen enters through the spiracles. Oxygen enters through spiracles and reaches every part of the body through the network of air tube, and they have air tube on their body that you can see in this figure also. These are spiracles, small holes present in the left side or right side of the body, and they have tube. You can say जैसे आप लोग पेड़ों में पानी डालते हो, पाइप होता है ना, अगर उसमें हम एक लंबी सी पाइप आपके किसी भी एरिया में रख दें और उसमें स्मॉल होल कर दें तो क्या होगा, हर एरिया में पानी ड्रॉप जो है वो क्या होगा, वहाँ गिरता जाएगा. सो सेम वेज में होता है दैट ऑक्सीजन एंटर्स थ्रू द स्पाइकल्स एंड रीचेस टू द एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी थ्रू अ नेटवर्क ऑफ एयर ट्यूब. द डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी टेक्स इन ऑक्सीजन एंड गिव आउट carbon dioxide, and each part of the body, what they do, they take when they inhale air, they take oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide out from their body. Here a fact is given: whales are mammals. Whale fish are mammals, so they breathe through their lungs. A fish, only whale that are mammals, they breathe through their lungs. They come out onto the surface of water to breathe. They take in oxygen through a hose on top of their head. They hold their breath below water. What they do, they come out from the water and some holes are present on the head. They inhale the oxygen through their holes and get back to the water below. Feeding habitats in animal. What we have to learn? Feeding habitat in animal. Different animals feed on different types of food. Feeding means khana. So different animals need different types of food for their survive. Their body part and mouth are suitable for their food they eat. Different animals have different body, they use different kind of, their body parts are developed different ways, means some have strong teeth, shape of teeth developed differently for their suitable food which they eat. Organs of feeding we will study in the next class, class 5th. I hope that you have got the explanation clearly. If you have any kind of confusion, ask me a question. I will answer your questions. Have a nice day. Bye bye.